Prophets in Islam series. 25 Prophets, one message, one God. Number 8. Ismail alayhi salam. Name: Ismail alayhi salam. Title: Father of the Arabs. Birth and lineage. Full name: Ismail ibn Ibrahim alayhi salam. Born to Hajar, the Egyptian wife of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, forefather of the Arabs of Makkah and the lineage of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Childhood in the desert. Left with his mother Hajar in the barren valley of Makkah by Allah's command. Zamzam water miraculously sprang beneath his feet. Indeed, Allah has provided water for them. The sacrifice, Zabah. Ibrahim alayhi salam saw in a dream that he must sacrifice his son. Ismail alayhi salam submitted willingly. Do as you are commanded. Allah replaced him with a ram from Jannah. Indeed, this was the clear trial. Building the Kaaba. Ibrahim and Ismail alayhi salam raised the foundations of the Kaaba together, and mentioned when Ibrahim and Ismail raised the foundations, made dua for a righteous ummah to come. His role as a prophet. Appointed as a prophet to the Jurhum tribe of Arabia, and mentioned in the book Ismail. Indeed, he was true to his promise, taught prayer, charity, and obedience to Allah. Family and descendants. Married into the Arab tribe of Jurhum. Had 12 sons. Their descendants formed various Arab tribes. His lineage led to the birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Death. Passed away in Makkah. Grave. Buried near the Kaaba, next to his mother Hajar in Hijr Ismail area of the Kaaba. Legacy. Part of Hajj rituals. Sa'i, Zamzam, and the Qurbani, Eid al-Adha all trace back to him. An ancestor of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, mentioned in multiple surahs: Al-Baqarah, Surah Maryam, As-Safat, Sa'd, Ibrahim. His legacy continues in every Muslim's Hajj and prayer. Key qualities: Sadiq al-Wad, true to his word, dutiful to parents, obedient to Allah in all commands. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.